If you've ever gone grocery shopping, then you already understand one of the best ways to invest. So, you know how when you go grocery shopping, you're picking up a bunch of different items and putting them in your shopping cart? Pancakes, chicken, cereal, they all end up in one cart at one time. So this is similar to ETFs, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. So you can think of it like a basket of stocks, a cart full of stocks that you can buy into without needing a ton of money. So just like how you put different items into your shopping cart, ETFs let you buy a variety of stocks all at once. Take the ETF VOO, for example, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. When you buy one share of VOO, you're buying a tiny piece of 500 of the biggest companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, etc. It's like having a little bit of everything in your shopping cart. So ETFs are perfect for beginners because they spread your money across many stocks, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And it's that simple. Start small, be consistent, learn as you go, and watch your money grow. This is Prophet Nick giving you another little appetizer or sample ingredient from our simple recipes for wealth to make your dough grow to millions step by step. Specifically, one of our recipes is all around simple investing. Follow for more simple tips on making your dough grow, not individual legal or investment advice.